Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am social studies teacher Saima Kamran. Today I am here to give you lecture of class 5, lesson 6, our country, and this is lecture number 2 of this lesson. Our topic is some important cities. We will get information about some important cities of Pakistan. The cities' names are Islamabad, Karachi, Lahore, Rawalpindi, Peshawar, and Quetta. The first city that we will discuss is Islamabad. Islamabad is the capital city of Pakistan and is located in Potohar Plateau in the northwest of the country. When Pakistan came into existence in 1947, Karachi was the capital of Pakistan. But soon it was realized that Pakistan needed a capital that was easily accessible from all parts of the country. So capital moved from Karachi to Islamabad in 1959. Islamabad is surrounded by the Margalla Hills, and this city is rich in nature. World famous planners and architects designed this new city as it is the capital of the country. So all the foreign embassies, Supreme Court of Pakistan, the President House, Prime Minister House, National Assembly, and Senate are located here. Some best universities like Bahria University, Quaid-e-Azam University, and NUST are in Islamabad. Shah Faisal Mosque is one of the largest mosques in the world, adds beauty to the city. Damene Ko, Rose and Jasmine Gardens, Rawal Lake, Shakar Padya, and many other beautiful parks can also be seen. The next city is Karachi. Karachi is the largest city of Pakistan and provincial capital of Sindh province. At one time it was a small fishing village. Later this village grew and became the main port of Pakistan. Karachi is a modern city with hotels, banks, cinemas, malls, wide boulevards, and Quaid-e-Azam Mausoleum. Jinnah International Airport is the largest airport in Pakistan. Visitors can also see the National Museum, the Maritime Museums, many beautiful mosques, parks, the beaches at Clifton, Hawke's Bay, and Paradise Point. The next city is our Lahore. पाकिस्तान का दिल लाहौर, लाहौर लाहौर है. जिसने लाहौर नहीं देखा वो पैदा ही नहीं हुआ. ये मुख्तलिफ कहावतें लाहौर के बारे में मशहूर हैं. Lahore is the provincial capital of Punjab province. It is the second largest city of Pakistan after Karachi. It is also known as the City of Gardens because of its many parks and gardens like Model Town Park, Gulshan Iqbal Park, Racecourse Park, and Jallu Park, etc. Famous buildings made here during the time of the Mughal Empire include the Moti Masjid, the Wazir Khan Masjid, the Badshahi Masjid, the Lahore Fort, Shalimar Gardens, tombs of Jahangir and Noor Jahan in Shadara. Lahore is also important due to its role as a center of the Pakistan movement. In 1940, the famous Lahore Resolution was passed here by the All India Muslim League. और जैसा कि स्टूडेंट्स आप जानते हैं कि 1940 में ये करारदाद मंजूर हुई और उसके 7 ईयर्स के बाद यानी 1947 में पाकिस्तान वजूद में आ गया। इसी करारदाद की याद में इस जगह पर मीनार पाकिस्तान तामीर किया गया। Lahore is Pakistan's top educational center. The University of Punjab has 2 campuses in the city. Other old and famous institutions are Government College University, the Forman Christian College University, Kinnaird College for Women University, National College of Arts, and the world famous King Edward Medical University. Now next is Rawalpindi. Rawalpindi is commonly known as Pindi, located in the Punjab province of Pakistan. Pindi is also known as twin cities along with capital Islamabad. People of Rawalpindi speak different languages like Pothohari, Pahari and Kashmiri. Rawalpindi is the military headquarters of the Pakistan Armed Forces. Rawalpindi has railway station, international sports ground, good hotels, restaurants, museums, and parks. The major institutes of Rawalpindi are Agricultural University, Fatma Jinnah Women University, Army Medical and Rawalpindi Medical Colleges, and Rawalpindi Medical University. Next is Peshawar. Peshawar is the provincial capital of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Peshawar is surrounded by mountain ranges on 3 sides. It is the biggest city of KPK. This city is famous for its food and tourism as it is one of the oldest cities of Pakistan. During the times of Indus Valley Civilization, the modern KPK's Khyber Pass provided a route to other neighboring regions. Qissa Khwani Bazaar, Chowk Yadgar and Mohabbat Khan Masjid in Peshawar are worth visiting. Peshawar is connected to Islamabad and Rawalpindi by the 155-kilometer long motorway. Peshawar has an international airport. The airport offers direct flights throughout Pakistan as well as to Bahrain, Malaysia, Qatar, Saudi Arabia and UAE. Next city is Quetta. Quetta is the provincial capital of Balochistan province. The word Quetta derives from a Pashto word Quetta, which means fort. Quetta Valley is surrounded by mountains. Quetta is famous for its rich fruit orchards, which produce the best apples in Pakistan. Quetta is also famous for its dry fruits. Quetta is also famous for its handicrafts like Balochi mirrorwork, embroidery, rugs, fur coats, embroidered jackets, waistcoats, and other Pashtun traditional items. In 1935, there was a terrible earthquake in Quetta, and most of the city was destroyed in that earthquake. Gradually, the city was rebuilt. Hanna Lake is in Urak Valley near Quetta. It is surrounded by mountains. This lake is a special landmark of Quetta and a popular picnic spot. Close to the Quetta, there is a hill resort of Ziyarat, which was a favorite place of Quaid-e-Azam. स्टूडेंट्स कायदे आज़म ने अपनी ज़िंदगी के आखिरी दिन ज़ियारत में घर में गुजारे, जिसको अब कायदे आज़म रेजिडेंसी भी कहा जाता है। अब ये एक म्यूजियम है जिसमें कायदे आज़म की चीज़ों को महफूज किया गया है। Students, this is the end of the lesson. Now we will move on to the exercise. Let's begin the question answers. Students, question number 1, 2, 3 and 9 are omitted. Question number 4. Name the international organizations of which Pakistan is a member. Answer is Pakistan is a member of United Nations, UN, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SAARC, Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC. Question number 5. What are the features that attract tourists to Pakistan? Answer is tourists are attracted to the famous historical sites and buildings like Lahore Fort, the Badshahi Masjid, Qissa Khani Bazaar, etc. Tourists are also attracted to beautiful northern areas of Pakistan for trekking, mountaineering, fishing, and hunting. Question number 6. In what way is Islamabad different from most of Pakistan's other large cities? Answer is Islamabad is different from other cities of Pakistan because it is a city that was designed by world famous planners and architects. It was built in 1960, so it does not have any previous history of its own. It is a place from where the country is governed and all the foreign embassies are located here. Question number 7. Why are there not many ancient buildings in Quetta? Answer is there are not many ancient buildings in Quetta because in 1935 there was a terrible earthquake that destroyed most of the city. It was then gradually rebuilt. Question number 8. Which town is called the frontier town? Answer is Peshawar in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is called the frontier town. It's your homework to write these question answers in your notebook and learn them. That's all for this lecture. Goodbye.